dreams a cave, a hidden heart, a love I save. I keep my silence in the dark, like a flame without a spark. I fold my wings, I face the moon, and hope that you'll come back here soon. I try to breathe, I try to sleep, but all my thoughts are yours to keep. No matter what I say or do, the night gets brighter next to you. You are the light inside the room, the color breaking through the gloom. When you are near, my fears are gone. You make my broken spirit strong. Don't let me fade, don't let me fall. Your name is hanging on my wall. In every dark I stumble through, I find my way because of you. The air is still, the hours crawl, your echo lingers through it all. I'm like a bird that lost the sky, still learning how to stay alive. You calm the noise inside my head, you warm the places turning dead. And when you leave, I come undone, like midnight hiding from the sun. I try to smile, I play it cool, but love has made me break the rules. No matter where I'm passing through, the world feels less alive without you. You are the light inside the room, the color breaking through the gloom. When you are near, my fears are gone. You make my broken spirit strong. Don't let me fade, don't let me fall. Your name is hanging on my wall. In every dark I stumble through, I find my way because of you.